Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So, I haven't been out in over a week. I want to go down the River Swale, maybe River Wharf, I'm not sure yet. Last time I was out, we had a couple of barbel out. That was good, a little session. Yeah, don't know how long I'm going to go down for. Could be a couple of hours, could be 5 hours, I don't know. We'll just see what happens, see if I'm feeling it. Lovely and warm, like. It's currently sitting at 23 degrees there. Yeah. So I'm not sure with the river conditions. I'm guessing it must be low because we haven't had much rain at all. So yeah, we'll have to just wait and see what happens. So I'll get back to you when I get down to where I'm going. Night night.
You say you don't want me. You call me good for nothing. Straight to my face.
Right, so I've just come to top cliff there. I'm just going to have a walk of this. I'm on the opposite side of the river I was last time, but I'm just going to walk the stretch and see if there's many on. I mean, there's 2 cars in the car park. I'm going to see what pegs they've got. I like the look of the first peg here. I've fished it before in the winter in one of my videos. Never had anything, but I can imagine it being quite a productive peg. But I'll go down there and have a look, and I'll get back to you. As you can see, well, look how bushy it is now. See straight through here in the winter. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Cheers. Yeah, there was someone in that first peg. You alright? You got out, mate? First cast.
Yeah, I was up watching 40
Oh yeah, good game, wasn't it? Aye. Oh, good luck to you, mate. I remember fishing that in the winter and I literally had to sit here because it was that high. It was right up to here, the water. Done a bit of dead baiting for pike. A little further down here. Someone there. Yeah, I might try and get me either way, I think. Bit of oxygen in the water. Yeah, I'll get back to these. When I decide. So I don't know if you can see through the trees over there. That's where I was before. There's no one there. There's a few on this side actually, but I might just go to the same peg I was in before. Even go down there, but I've only got a bank 6. I'll get myself on the other side and face the walk. Let's get back to the car. Right, so I'm back to where I was in my last video. I couldn't really be bothered driving much further, to be fair. But yeah, it's quite full on the other side. There's no one on this side, so hopefully we can get a couple of barbel out. I mean, I think I'm going to be in the better peg, to be fair, like. But time will tell. Right, I'll get back to you when I'm down the river. Night night. Right, so I've got my first rod out there. Just down there in front of that bush. Put the chair, bro. Sometimes I like to sit on the bank. I think it's comfier. Absolutely awesome to do down here. Yeah, I've just sprinkled a few pellets out. Can't get the attention. And yeah, don't ever just a fish one rod. Don't feel it, you're just in the middle of it out. I might just stick down there at that side. Anyway, I'll get back to you if I get a fishy. Yes, I'm in. Oh, you know, it's come off. No, it hasn't. Oh, it has. Come on. On someone's line here. Oh. On someone's line. Someone else's line. Yes. I'm in. About bloody time. Whoa. Yes. Oh. Chloe Cook out me that. He ripped me out. Jesus. There'll only be a little one as well. Look at me rod's bitten too. Oh, it's going for it. Don't let it get in that snag. I've seen it yet. I was literally just about to pack up and go as well. Oh God. I've seen it yet. Rod. Do fight brilliantly, these barbel like. Oh, that's a nice little size one. To be fair. It's not wanting to come up like. Hey, it's a nice little size one, that. No. Happy dingleberries, as I say in a dowdine. Right, let myself sorted and I'll get some pictures. Have a little rest in the net. We'll go together and I'll get some pictures. Right, I think this is probably my biggest barbel I've had. Oh. Calm down. He's an angry fella. There you go. Barbel. Happy days. I was literally just about to pack up as well. Happy days. Yeah, it's definitely the biggest barbel I think I've had. Well, nice barbel. Beautiful barbel. Thank you. Barbel. Careful, it's dead slippy. There's the little barbel. Right, let's see if he's ready. There he goes. See you later. What a vast senorita. Let's get back packed up. My son's apparently playing in a band, so I better get amongst it. Get back to where I packed up. Right, so that's me all packed up, as you can see. Leave no traces, only footprints and all that stuff, as I say. Yeah, I was literally about to pack up. Then I got that little bad boy on. Well, that's good. At least I'm not blanking this year on the rivers anyway, so, well, this season. So I'm buzzing, absolutely buzzing. So, yeah. Wish I could have stayed longer, to be fair, because I think they were starting to come in, but family first and all that stuff, as I say. So now I'm going to march across this field, get me kit in the bag. I've got some ground bait left over and some hemp and that, so never know, I might have a little butcher's out tomorrow. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I get the car. Night night. Right, that's me in the car on my way home. I'm in a mad rush now. We only have about half an hour to get home. Showered. I can just turn up me. I might have to just turn up my bloody fishing gear. Smell like the 2 F's and the 2 B's. Fishy flaps and barbel butter. Not a bad smell, to be fair. At least it smells like you never blanked. That's what it's all about, isn't it? Absolutely buzzing. Just about to join the 19 now. Like every 8th on a bobsled. So I'll let you go. I'm gonna just say while you're here, thank you very much for everyone who's liked and subscribed my videos on my channel. It's starting to grow actually quite slowly but surely, it's getting there. Just thank you very much to you subscribers, old and new. Ciao for now.